Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Turkish Airlines application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, click on the help button. So as you can see, there are three ways to contact the customer service. So there's a WhatsApp, a Twitter and a Facebook account where you can reach out to them, or you can call the call centers and talk to them through phone. So just choose the option that suits the best. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.